Whoa, 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 whoa. A 36-foot diesel pusher with a 450 horsepower motor? Holy crap. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Newmar New Aire 3543. And yes, that is a lot of excitement in my voice. This coach is amazing. It's a 36-foot diesel pusher with a 450 horsepower motor, and the layout is absolutely amazing. Now, if this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, on this type of motorhome, I do a 15 to 20 minute walkthrough of the entire coach without any sound effects, special effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. All right. Yes, I'm excited, folks. Now, that noise you're hearing in the background is the generator. I put on the generator so we have lights and everything else. But one thing I really want to point out is look how gorgeous this paint job is. We're going to walk by the noise and we're going to come out this way. Look how gorgeous that paint job is. It just pops. Now, if you want more information about how the paint works or what kind of paint they used, I'm going to link the website to Newmar in the description box below so you could get that directly, because I could talk all day about the paint job and you'll probably get bored. Okay, obviously there's slide toppers. There's an awning on this side of the coach. So let's take a look at some of the underbelly compartments. So you got your battery set up there. Yeah, access to some electrical. Look at that beautiful pass-through storage. Now, on the other side, and we'll open it up on the other side, you have that slide-out tray. But look how much storage this is. This is partially because this is on the Roadmaster chassis. It's actually the K2 Roadmaster chassis. And again, if you want more information about the chassis, I'm actually going to link the chassis link in the description box below too. Because again, I don't want to bore you to death. I mean, I could talk about this for like 50 minutes, an hour. You have your central vacuum system, 50 amp service. If you look here, you got your Oasis heating system. So it doesn't run on propane, the heating. Just to let you know, there's no propane furnace to this. You got all of your hookups for your city water, all that stuff. Water filter. Side-mounted radiator. That's something you don't see that often anymore. Come around the back, you got your hitch, backup camera, all the normal stuff, all the really good stuff. I'm getting excited, guys, because I can't wait to get inside. But slowly but surely, lots of good access to your chassis batteries, to your air system, filters, easy access. That's the name of the game when you start spending this kind of money. Now, this customer, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but this is actually a used one. This is a 2022. The customer wants $369,000. Now you can only imagine what he spent on it brand new. So when I say this is a very high line unit, it's literally got a big dollar ticket to it. So you got the slide out trays on both sides. This actually opens up separately through this latch right here. I'm not going to do that because of time constraints, especially since we're already at the 4-minute mark. By the way, if you finally do enjoy one of my walkthrough videos, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. A little outside refrigerator, which is actually like a little 12-volt cooler. That's pretty cool. All right, let's go inside. All right, look how nice the seats are. So very fluffy, very comfortable. So the idea is not just to be in the lap of Louis Vuitton or Gucci or have uncomfortable luxury. The name of the game with Newmar is comfort. So, like riding on a cloud. That's the goal of this motorhome, is when you're taking that cross-country trip and you're sitting in the captain's chairs here and you're just heading along, you're just floating on a cloud. And that's basically what Newmar's goal is. Now, in my professional opinion, I believe Newmar is a better product than Tiffin. Okay? Now, that's not to say Tiffin's a bad product. But just in my personal opinion, I think Newmar builds a lot better motorhome than Tiffin does. Now, again, that's probably a hot take for Tiffin owners. Are probably like, this kid's full of crap. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Hey, different strokes for different folks. Your recliners with the middle little island here to set your drinks, your food, because guess what? The TV comes out of there, and we'll get to that in just a moment. Until then, let's kind of look at some of these cabinets. High quality, they open and close really easily. Now, the air conditioner is running, and I can't hear it because it's a whisper cool. Very, very quiet air conditioning. You could hear it blow a little bit, but it doesn't have the noise of those big, bulky air conditioners that come in like, you know, your fifth wheels and your travel trailers and your Class C motorhomes. Now, remember, this is a 36-foot motorhome. But look at all the storage I'm opening up. There's just tons of storage everywhere. And this gets me all excited, because if you're a fan of the channel, you know I love the pull-out drawers, especially under the dinette. It keeps things easy. Yes, you lose some storage doing it that way as far as capacity, but it's just that ease of getting to the storage. You got plenty of places to put your little knickknacks, maybe some paper plates, some napkins. There's your entertainment center area with, it looks like a Blu-ray player. I'm just absolutely amazing motorhome. Now, coming over here, if you see here, everything is digitally controlled from all of your lights. So like your kitchen lights on, overhead lights on. You can go to your home page. Gives you your shades, so you can remotely put your shades down. Hear that? Your night shade, your back day shade, see? I mean, it's just, everything's so cool and digital. If I remember right, there's an app that runs this as well. Don't quote me on that because I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure, and you guys can correct me in the comments section, please feel free to. But I believe this does run on an app as well. Okay. Now I'm just going to lift this up if I can. No? Okay, so let's find where the little button is. I wonder if it's over by the recliners. Let's see. Look at all the overhead lights, accent lights, systems. So you can control your water pump. Aha! Let's... Sorry, a little bumpy. Let's lift the TV. Hold it. Oop. Did I do something wrong? There it goes. I wasn't supposed to hold it. I was supposed to just press it. Bam. Right? So now we're just sitting here. Let me see. Where's the little recliner? Here we go. Here we go. Right. 1, 2, 3, and oh, oh yeah. Now we're cooking. Look at this recliner directly across from TV. Hey, and if you have guests, you got enough room for 6 people to have cocktails. So this is like a, I guess you could call it a 2-4-6 coach. 2 people sleeper. 4 people if you really have to sleep somebody, and 6 people for cocktails. Anybody ready for NFL football? All right, let's do the kitchen. So the pull out for the trash can, that's nothing. Okay. Look at this big sink. So this, see, I don't mind that big round sink, because that big round sink, to me, you can still clean those big pots and pans. I love pozole. I love chicken soup. I love tortilla soup. The way my wife cooks, it's big pots, especially when we're camping. Got to be able to wash that pot and pan. Lots of area, lots of storage for kitchen nookies and grannies, nookies and crannies, sorry. Nookies and grannies, good lord. Okay, so absolutely stellar storage. And then you got your convection microwave. It is a Samsung brand. Coming over here, we're going to remove the two tops, and you have your induction cooktop. Now, even with me removing the two covers, you can see there's a ton of kitchen counter space. It's one of those things that I really talk about in motorhomes in general, is the shorter the motorhome, the harder it is to get a good counter space or good kitchen counter space. Nice, big, wide drawer, good quality wood, good quality cabinet. You got your dishwasher right here. Just look how nice and easy, glides like a cloud. Remember, that's the goal. The goal is to be on a cloud, relaxing, enjoying yourself, driving across, the United States, Canada, or wherever your dream is to do. It's not to work, it's to enjoy. I did forget to mention this does have an auto level system to it as well. And coming over, you have your Samsung residential refrigerator. And I'm screwing something up. What did I screw up? I'm not going to bother with it. So you can see inside, I'm screwing something up. Probably it's locked somewhere. I figured it out. This little locking mechanism opens. So this thing slides back and forth like this. I feel like an idiot. Ooh, there's still ice in here. Look how, just nice residential appliances. I know, guys, you're probably wondering, why is he so excited? It's because I don't get to film these this often, so I love having that kind of excitement. The big, huge shower. It's nice and deep. It may not be the length. They chose to go to the deep shower because they put the bathroom in the middle. You got your porcelain toilet. Obviously, you can see there's a lot of space around that toilet, which means what? Doesn't feel like a sardine can, right? Lots of counter space. Oh, man. Nice big medicine cabinet. Good space around everything. My only complaint so far is, why couldn't you put a bigger sink in here? That's it. That's my only complaint so far. It's the only thing I found, and that's nitpicking it, right? All right, coming into the bedroom, you got a full walk-around king bed. Now, I'm not going to open those cabinets up there because of time constraints. But if we look over here, you got your flat screen TV. Look how many drawers you have for clothes. And there's a surprise coming here in just a minute. One thing I do love about a smaller diesel pusher like this is it's going to still tow 10,000 pounds. And, you're going to have a lot easier time getting in and out of campgrounds being at this size than if, let's say, you go to a 40 or you go to a 45. Just an ease. Stackable washer dryer. Sorry. And then you have the huge closet with a safe, the extra seating. So technically this is a 2-4-8 trailer. So if you actually think about it, this is a 2-person sleeper, which means everybody knows it only sleeps 2 people, right? And then 4 people you can sleep and eat if you had to with the dinette, but 8 people for cocktails. Now, if you have any questions at all, please make sure to let me know either in the comments section. You can email me. You can send me a message through social media. All that information is in the description box below. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, as it does help us. Also, just a quick reminder, in the description box below, I did put the links for the K2 Spartan chassis and for the Newmar paint job, because again, I could talk about that stuff all day, but you're going to get bored. Now, oh, pantry. There we go. Anyway, in the top right-hand corner of this video, there's another used diesel pusher that I filmed. Now, it's not nearly as high-end as this, but it is a little bit smaller. So until next time, remember, toolkit and sense of humor.